Want to edit the mobile version of your WordPress site using Elementor? In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps so you can make your site look stunning on mobile devices too. In the meantime, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by opening your browser and heading over to the WordPress admin panel of your website. From the dashboard, go to Pages and click on All Pages. Pick the page you want to work on. For example, I'm choosing the Home page, and then click the Edit with Elementor button. Give it a few seconds to load. By default, the Elementor editor opens in desktop view. But if you look at the other options in the top panel, you'll see three icons: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on the mobile icon to see how your page looks on a smartphone. Now, you're in mobile editing mode. Here you can customize your page specifically for mobile without affecting the desktop or tablet layouts. Just like in desktop mode, you can click on any section to start editing. For example, I clicked on the heading section, and the sidebar switched to the Edit Heading panel. Under the Content tab, you can update the title to say whatever you want. If you want to tweak a button, simply select it and then hit the pencil icon. The left sidebar will switch to the Edit button. Under the Content tab, you can change the button text, say from Order Now to Shop Now. If you move over to the Style tab, you can adjust things like alignment, spacing, border type, and even border radius. For instance, I changed the position and squared the button's corners a bit. Once you're satisfied with your mobile layout, just hit the Update button in the top right corner to save your changes. That's it. Your site's mobile version is now fully customized. You can also check out the tablet view from the same menu to make sure everything looks great across all devices. Now, just a heads up for you. I've included my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're planning to try it out, I'd truly appreciate your support. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.